Welcome to Deluxe Cleaners, where we believe that a cleaner world begins with cleaner laundry. Imagine a world where every wash, every rinse, and every fold contributes to a healthier planet. At Deluxe Cleaners, we make that vision a reality with our eco-friendly laundry products. Our commitment to the environment starts with the products we use. We choose only the finest eco-friendly detergents that are tough on stains but gentle on the earth. Free from harsh chemicals, our products ensure that your clothes are clean and your conscience is clear. But it's not just about the planet. It's about you and your well-being. By choosing Deluxe Cleaners, you're making a choice for a healthier lifestyle. Our non-toxic, biodegradable products are safe for your skin and kind to your clothes. Whether you're a busy professional, a college student, or a caring grandparent, Deluxe Cleaners is here to make your life easier and greener. Our eco-friendly services ensure that your laundry is done right, every time. Join us in our mission to protect the environment, one load at a time. Choose Deluxe Cleaners for a cleaner home, a healthier you, and a greener tomorrow. Follow and contact us today.